Hello there, welcome to this mindfulness practice. This is a practice for you to do if you're a complete beginner, but also if you practice mindfulness and meditation for a longer period of time. I hope that this will serve you, and I hope that we will find a bit more grounding through this practice and can reconnect to being present and letting go of many things that are currently going on in our minds. Let's practice together. Come into a comfortable seat. I've chosen to sit on my yoga bolster today, but you can sit anywhere you like, on your desk, or you can practice this on the bed. Just make sure that you're not in a position where you can fall asleep easily. That's the only advice I can give you, but otherwise you can also lie down. Let's begin. So find into a comfortable position of yours. Come to lie down or sit down anywhere you like. If you're sitting or actually also lying down, just try to lengthen your whole body. Lengthen the upper body, lengthen, if you're lying down, the lower part of your body, your legs. And allow your body to come into that state of complete rest. Not moving, not doing anything for now. Just allowing the body to soften. Close your eyes, or if eyes closed are not that comfortable, send your gaze forward and find a single spot that you can focus on and narrow your awareness therefore. And as you come into your comfortable position, as you close your eyes and withdraw from any outer awareness, notice what is going on within your body. That can be physically, that you feel any restrictions, any tensions in the body or tiredness. Maybe a lot of energy, which is great as well. Sometimes too much energy can also be that you're almost feeling you need to move, you need to do something else. You can't really settle. And that's also what we are practicing today. Just allow yourselves to feel that, whatever is present. Notice any current feelings, sensations within your body. That can be cold or warm or heat. Maybe you're noticing a sensation of tingling through the body, lethargicness, or again energy. And how does that feel emotionally? It's not about judging it, it's just about becoming aware of what you're experiencing what you're experiencing. Notice whether you're feeling quite calm, quite grounded, or whether you're feeling a bit restless. Your mind is in 100 different places. And notice and know wherever you currently are is where you should be. What we try to do throughout this practice with this class is to shift it to where you want to be at the end of your class. Not changing yourself, just with slow patterns shifting to, again, that outcome that you would like. That could be more present, more calm, more aware. And after you've wandered your gaze through the body, you've taken a moment to see how you're feeling, how you're doing. Just imagine you're letting go of all of that. And by doing that, you're already releasing some of your thoughts. And now become observant of your mind. Some of you might have pictures that are cruising around. Some of you might have a bit of lights flashing around. That could be if you've spent a lot of time on the computer, or just you had a very busy day, busy week. Notice if there is repetitive thoughts in your mind coming up. If there is different thoughts or worries or struggles. And then just allow those thoughts, rather than changing them, to just pass. To be there, you notice it, but you let it pass. You're not holding onto it. It's almost like a greeting, but you're greeting on the road and then you have to walk off again because you're going to go home. So the idea here is to really say hello to your thoughts, acknowledge it, and then allow it to drift away. And take that as an exercise where you're almost realigning your thoughts or what is going on. You're noticing what is actually there. Maybe that has something to do with your physical or emotional state of mind, of body. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your neck. And notice if that already allows your thoughts to soften. And now, after we've taken that time to acknowledge, to notice, to be aware, which is mindfulness, because you're connecting to the present moment, we now try to do a little exercise to see if you can realign your focus onto one single thing, that present moment, or something that feels easier to think of or to have ahead of you, rather than a million thoughts cruising around your mind. Become aware of any sounds you can hear around you. That can be within your building, within your room, but also outside your room, outside your building or your house, your flat. Imagine you're really opening up your ears to that experience of sound. Sounds are moving in and out of your ears like waves, coming and going. Notice if there is several sounds, or if there is something that you can hear more clearly, something that might be a bit quieter. And then let go of this awareness. Let go of any sounds, anything you can hear around you. And bring your awareness now toward yourself. And start to notice the sound of your own breath. Don't change your breath, don't change your rhythm. Just start to listen to the sound of your breath. Most likely you will hear it when the breath is moving out of your nostrils again. The inhalation might be a bit more quiet, more calm. And just follow that sound. Try to really narrow your awareness towards that single sound, your beautiful breath that is serving you every single day. And now see if you can extend your inhales and your exhales, make your breath become longer and deeper. The sound might change and you might feel a different vibration as you're inhaling, different parts of your body expanding. And as you exhale, different areas of your body softening. Take 5 full breaths here in your own rhythm, your own breath. Take one more full cycle of breath here. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nostrils. Very, very nice. And then again, allow your breath to just settle back into its natural rhythm. Gentle inhales, soft exhalations. Become aware of your palms resting down onto your thighs, your knees, or maybe just hanging loose on either side of your body. Become aware of your knees relaxed, your feet relaxed. And for a moment, as the last part of our practice today, see if you can allow your body to simply be. And what would happen if more often during the day you allow yourself to simply be? Sometimes we can't have everything under control, so we need to trust, reconnect to the moment, and we need to simply wait. And we have to simply be. And there is a beauty in that as well. Hopefully you can see that, you can find that. Beautiful done, very, very nice work. Thank you for connecting here on YouTube. Have a nice day from my heart to yours. Namaste.